This large-capacity countertop oven features convection baking that circulates hot air for flakier crusts, crispier edges, and even browning in less time. Plus, it lets you broil, roast, toast, and more. A digital control panel offers precise heat and time adjustments, 7 preset functions for guest-free cooking, and a choice of toast shade from light to dark. Always use the oven handles when moving the unit. Perfect for large families, this countertop oven from Oster comes equipped with convection technology, which means it distributes heat quickly and evenly for thorough cooking and excellent results. The oven provides a large interior that can accommodate a frozen pizza, a whole chicken, a casserole, or even a pan of crescent rolls or chocolate chip cookies. 2 rack positions allow for customizing the space, especially helpful when cooking a tall roast. Furthermore, the sleek, modern-looking unit features a stainless finish frame and a user-friendly manual. Digital control panel for convenient operation. Choose from a variety of cooking functions, including bake, convection bake, broil, toast, pizza, defrost and warm. Adjust time and temperature using one-touch controls. Other highlights include a see-through door that allows for checking on food at a glance, an optional interior light, an easy-to-clean interior, and an external removable crumb tray. A durable baking pan comes included. Black housing with chrome accents. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Large interior capacity. This countertop oven has a large interior that will give you true second oven convenience. It can accommodate a variety of foods from thin pizzas to thick roasts with its 2 rack positions. Number 2. Easy broiling. Broil at any temperature for proper browning and melting. Whether your London broil calls for a 500-degree oven or you want to melt parmesan on bruschetta at a lower temperature. Number 3. One-touch operation. The user-friendly digital control panel makes for easy operation. Choose from convection bake, broil, toast, pizza, warm, and more. Time and temperature adjust with one-touch controls. Number 4. More convenient features. The interior features a light so you can monitor cooking progress, and the 90-minute timer automatically shuts off the oven so you can cook worry-free. Number 5. 6-slice convection toaster oven for faster, more even cooking. This Oster large digital countertop oven can fit up a pan with the measure of 2 inches height, 10.5 inches width, and 12.5 inches length. Number 6. Convection technology and a wide temperature range of 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit let you cook with the convenience of an oven. Number 7. Digital controls with 7 cooking settings and an interior light for easy viewing. Number 8. The large interior can accommodate 112 inches pizza, casseroles, cookies, and even a roast. The oven measures 19.72 inches width by 16.29 inches depth by 11.33 inches height, with a 31.5 inches cord. Number 9. Includes durable baking pan and removable crumb tray for easy cleanup. Watts, 1,300 watts, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. I usually cover my chicken with aluminum foil, that way it stays extra juicy. Can I place it inside this oven? Answer. Placing foil in the unit may cause the unit to heat up over 500 degrees. For this reason, we do not suggest using foil in the toaster oven. Question number 2. What is the largest pizza in inches you can put into this oven? Answer. This toaster oven will accommodate a 12 inches pizza. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.